Good night. My name is Juliana Gomez. I am 34 years old. I am from Nariño. I am live in Las Mesas. I am work in a woman beans factory. I am also a housewife. My hobby is to play sports and listen to music. I live with my dad and my parents. I am a student and undergraduate degree in children's pedagogy at UNAD. My favorite TV is Success Show. My favorite sport is cycling. We are three people in my family. My parents is Father Munoz. He is 38 years old. He is a mechanic. He is tall. He has brown eyes and thin legs. My daughter is Juliana Munoz. She is 14 years old. His hair, greet my daughter, is very beautiful. Has brown eyes and long black. He is very intelligent and responsible. And weekend we like to go on and share beautiful family moments. Thank you.